Day 2 on removal of the turbo. Seriously, this job is really not easy. A lot of things to be done. What I did is I took out the heat shield, but I broke up a bolt right here. You can see it's broken. And another bolt, this one here, broken. I was able to take out this one. This one is fine, but the back is the most, how can I say this without saying curse words, the most disgusting thing that you could ever do. The back is very hard. I wasn't able to take the heat shield from the back because, like you see, I grease them up, I eat them, but still, I'm hoping that it won't break, but I'll do the best that I can. So if it breaks, it breaks. Anyway, what could you do? Nothing. So I'll continue removal of the heat shield in the back, because when you take out the heat shield, you can see the bolts right here for the turbo, and you can access. In the front is very easy. In the back, it's another story. I think the most difficult things on doing this job is take out the heat shield, because it's not well placed, and you need to find a way, the best way to take it out without breaking the bolt. So I'll do this and I'll show you guys the step-by-step process that I'm doing. So basically, you got to take out the wires. Don't take it out, but pull it out the most that you can, so you can have the most space, because you need space in the back. There's no space to work, so you need space to access the rear turbo. So I took out a bunch of wires, pulled them back most that I can. Did the same in the front. Take out the most wires that you can. I'm gonna take out this oil line. This one will be pretty much, should be easy access. Take out this line. After I done that, this line is from here. You can see the oil cooling line. Oh no, that's a oil passage line. So when you do this, you'll be able to access more of this mess of removal the turbo. I didn't even go in the underneath yet. Underneath shouldn't be too hard. I already took them out, the catalyzer, the catalytic converter, and I'm gonna empty it also. I got one that I empty, the other one I'm gonna empty it so I can do a catless converter setup. So yep, guys, this is the nightmare of the EcoBoost, removal of the turbo. If it was in a F-150, it should be more easy because there's more space to work on, but this one is no space. The rear one, if there would be the front one, it would be no problem. Let's do it. But the rear one, good luck, guys. But I'm gonna do it because that's what I do. And after I done that, I'll show you guys.